Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Generation Old School. If this is your first time passing by the channel, my name is William. Today I want to show you my 1956 Chevy Belair two-door hardtop. This is a car that I've had for a while, and I think it's time for me to sell it and continue to have fun with something new that I have in mind. So if it is your first time passing by the channel, please go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so yet, and don't forget to please support us by giving this video a like. This is my 1956 Chevy Belair. This car is a beautiful car. First of all, it has the best color combination ever produced in 1956 for the Chevy Belairs. This car has all the available options with the exception of power seats and power window. As you guys can see, it has a Continental kit with factory dual exhaust. All of the things that I'm going to be mentioning on this video are extras, accessories, or factory add-ons that were purchased with the car when it was ordered brand new in 1956. First of all, it is a hardtop, which makes it way more desirable and way more valuable. The two-door hardtops bring much more money than the four doors or the two-door with post. Beautiful color combination, like I mentioned, beautiful chromes. It runs very, very good. I'm going to be going over the car. I'm going to show you the engine, the interior. We're going to take it for a ride. And if you guys are interested in buying it, I'm also going to give you my number so you guys can give me a call. The interior matches the exterior, as you guys can see, black and yellow, just like the outside. It has some very nice wide wall tires, bi-plies. They are not radial, but they ride very, very good. All of the bumpers are in great conditions. Grille is in good conditions. All of the lights turn on. All of these bumper guards are accessories that were purchased when the car was new in 1956. This is a California car. I purchased it from a family who had it for the last 13 years in South Carolina. It came from South Carolina, but when they purchased the car, they bought it from a person who bought it brand new in California. It's an amazing work of art. The conditions of the car is incredible. As you guys can see here, it has not only factory V8 265 engine, but also it has power steering. As you guys can see here, this is a power steering pump right behind the generator. The car is still 6 volts. This is a brake booster. It's a factory brake booster, so it has power brakes. And as you guys can see here, I want you to tell me in the comments if you know what this is. If you don't know, this is a factory add-on air conditioning unit from 1956. 1956, imagine having a car with air conditioning. While people were driving with the windows down, you were driving with the windows up, receiving that cold air right in your face. As you guys can see, this is factory add-on. Nowadays, they sell a kit that looks similar to that one, but it's nothing compared to the original. The only thing that is not original to this car is the radio, which was replaced to look exactly like the original radio, but the radio in this car is AM and FM, and it works very, very good. Another thing that was factory add-on on this car was the antenna in the rear. Usually they go in the front, but as you can see, this one has it in the rear. I mentioned earlier the Continental kit, as well as the factory dual exhaust. and the factory rear bumper guards. It's an amazing car, beautiful paint job. The paint is a little old, so it's cracking a little bit in some areas, like on the Continental kit, which is expected. This is lacquer paint. After a while, it tends to crack, but for the most part, the paint is in really good conditions. Door panels are also in great conditions, as you guys can see here. Interior is very nice. Carpets are like new. Let me turn on the flashlight so you guys can see better. Clock works. All of the lights inside the car work as they should, including the dome light on the roof when you open the doors. Let me show you the radio. I don't know if you guys can listen to the radio, but let me see if I can put up the volume more. I think I have to adjust the speakers because it has speakers here in the dash, and it also has a speaker in the back leg. But anyways, this is how you switch the radio from AM to FM. And then all you gotta do is adjust the speakers. I'm not too familiar with that. Glove box in good conditions. The light turns on. The car shows 64,094 miles. Everything works on the dash. Speedometer, temperature, gas gauge. All of the glass in this car is in very good shape. It has a little bit of discoloration here in the corner. You can barely see it. None of the glass is broken. None of the glass is cracked. I'm really pleased with the car. I've taken it to a couple of car shows and people seem to really like the car and all of the extras that the car has, especially the air conditioning, the power steering, and the power brakes. Back here we have the gas cap. By the way, I lost it last time I went to the gas station. I left it at the pump and I ordered a new one from eBay. That should be arriving anytime soon. As a matter of fact, I have to check my mailbox because I think it is already there. Something that I really like about the car is the stance that it has, as well as the color combination, the Continental kit, the antenna in the rear. This was also factory add-on. That is original. The exhaust tips are not add-on after the fact. All of that was a factory add-on when they purchased the car. Two-door hardtop, beautiful car, beautiful steering wheel. Everything works on the car. All of the glass is in excellent condition, guys. Sniff, but don't scratch. I like that. The engine is super clean. It doesn't overheat. Runs very good. You can drive this car 65, 70 miles an hour without any problems. All of the cables in the car are in great conditions. If there is anybody that's watching this video that would like to purchase the car, please give me a call, 305-783-0755. I'm pretty sure this car is not gonna last long in the market. For privacy purposes on this car, I'm not gonna disclose the price. I usually do, but if there is anybody that's interested in the car and wants to know more about the car, how much, and any other details that I have omit in this video, please give me a call, and that's something that we can discuss in private. We need to sell the car. That's the reason for me doing this video. We have to let it go. We need to find this car a new home. So give us a call. Again, 305-783-0755. I'm going to show you how to open the trunk. It's super easy. There's a lever or latch here that allows you to push the spare tire forward. Once it's hanging like that, you have access to the keyhole on the trunk and you can open it. As you guys can see, original mat is there. Jumper cables that are mine. A couple of chairs so that when I go to car shows I can sit down. Everybody likes to see the floor in this car, so let me go ahead and show you. No rust. The car is super solid, and the bottom of the car is painted the same color as the light yellow. All you gotta do now is push the tire backwards, give it another push, and it locks in place. It has the fender skirts. Some people like them, some people don't like them. Let me know what you think. I think a car with fender skirts. Look very classic, very nice. Without it, it looks like something is missing. Let me know if you guys like this car and if there is anyone interested in buying it. Let me show you the bottom. That way you guys can see that this car has no rust. As you can see, it is painted, like I mentioned, yellow, exactly as the top of the car. One thing that I forgot to mention now that I remember, this car not only has power steering, power brakes, air conditioning, factory Continental kit, factory wraparound bumper guards, but also it has a 4-barrel carburetor. Not all 56 Chevy Belairs came with a 4-barrel carburetor, only the power pack did. Many of them came with a 2-barrel carburetor, so that makes this car much more powerful, rides so much better. You can cruise anywhere with the car. Again, if you're looking for a classic car in good conditions that you don't have to do anything to it except minor things, give it some personal touches to make it yours, give us a call, 305-783-0755. The next thing that I want to do now is take it for a ride. That way you guys can see how nice this car drives and how much attention we get. Thank you so much for your support. Please remember to subscribe to the channel and give the video a like. All right, guys, let's take the 1956 Chevy Belair on a small cruise. That way you guys can see that everything is working perfectly fine. The car has power steering, power brakes, factory air conditioning. By the way, the air conditioning is not currently working at this moment. It's very old. Who knows if the compressor broke? But if you would like to have air conditioning running on this car, all you gotta do is purchase a new compressor and flush out the lines, put new lines, put new gas, and you have air conditioning on the car. The best part is the factory air conditioning vents and air conditioning controllers. We're doing about 20-25 miles an hour. Everything works. The headlights are turned on. The temperature is just fine what it needs to be. Gas gauge work. For some reason, the speedometer just stopped working on camera, so you guys saw that. Who knows what happened? I gotta make sure that, oh, there you go. It's back on. I gotta see what's going on with that. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give this video a like. Don't forget to subscribe if it is your first time passing by the channel. Don't forget to leave your comments. Don't forget to call me. If you guys are looking for a classic car, give me a call. We can help you with transportation. We can help you with shipping to anywhere in the United States, even California. We work with very reliable car haulers. They have insurance. They transport all of our cars. And I'm pretty sure that you're going to be very, very happy with this car whenever you get it. So once again, my name has been William. This is my 1956 Chevy Belair. Give us a call. We're going to help you through this process. We're going to make it simple and easy for you to be able to afford your dream classic car. I'm going to give you guys a last walk around. As you can see, the tail lights are on, as well as the headlights. By the way, I'm just remembering now something that I said on this video earlier. I think I said the generator was 6 volts. It is not 6 volts, it is 12 volts. So that was my mistake, and I'm glad that I had time to fix the error that I said on the video. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked the car. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for your support. Until next time. Thank you. God bless you.